As you can see, I'm cutting out the leaf pattern from this wrapping paper. Later, I will stick them onto the wrapped gift. After I've cut out the patterns, I will arrange them in the desired shape, placing them next to each other until I achieve the look I want. Then, I will stick them onto the wrapped gift. And just like that, as you can see, by cutting a few pieces of paper, you can create a very stylish gift and achieve a beautiful result. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please share it with your friends. You can also like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and see you in next video.